You ready for today?
Oh yeah.
What are we doing?
We're making things happen. We're making a new tower.
Here we go. Up to 100. Alright guys, so we're at 110. We're gonna do a crow's nest swap. It's kind of a piece by piece deal. We have to go from up here to that newer bottom one. So what we're gonna do this is we're gonna kind of put the bottom rails on first, put a mast pipe and a back to crossover plate at the new square pipe to the new rail, to the old rail, and we're gonna support it that way, and we can transition everything over to the new mount. Here, we're gonna time lapse this dish, see how it goes. All right, so status report. We've transferred everything to the new crow's nest. So everything's being held by these stiff arms, the crossover plates on each sector. We're gonna put up the collar, stiffen up the upper rail for the new crow's nest. And from there, we should be able to take this old crow's nest apart. So status update, the old crow's nest is out of here. We're stepping on the new platform right now. It's nice and solid right now. We're just gonna put the new mast pipes on and transfer the old antennas. Oh no, old antennas into the new mast pipes. And then we did a little miscalculation on the drawings. It did say 5 feet from center line of the new crow's nest up, and now we're too short. So we're gonna have to slide this down a little bit. But overall, it's working out pretty well. All right, so we took off the old railings off, and now we're gonna try to put the new ones on. It looks like we might be okay with those little stiff arms. Hopefully they'll reach perfectly. He's having the time of his life over there.
I live here.
He's the crow man. But as far as that, we're just gonna try to get this guy ready to at least get some antennas up today, I guess. So today I'm on the ground. I'm gonna be basically flying all the stuff to him. By the looks of it, we got one sector done with the new antennas on there. We got the other two to go. These other guys are gonna kill it up there, and then we also need to run those hybrids. So that's gonna be pretty fun. Up that little tiny port. Woohoo! Hybrid 1, almost to the top. Ah! Brock, what have we learned today as of right now?
Next time we send up a hybrid cable, move the existing cables away from the tower so that you have a clearer path for the new one to run through to avoid getting tangled up.
credits to Justin
Credits to
Oberg, our
Justin
awesome
Oberg. The
RTM.
genius.
Right? The ninja, tower ninja.
The Einstein.
And what did you learn today?
Hello. I learned not to climb down so far. Whenever you're trying to move all the cables out of the way, you don't have to go so far. As it turns out, I'm smoked.
Nice. So right now we finally got up the first hybrid landed. Good. Got this guy routed. They're working on the hybrid that's gonna be coming up next. They're setting it up for us, and right now we're just chilling like villains. So as of right now, we got both of the height rate caps installed. We're losing square footage in this place real fast. We're feeling extremely tight. But as far as that, we're de-rigging the tower right now, and we're gonna call it a day, and we'll be heading home. Whoever finishes this site, good luck to you. We did the best we can to make it easy for you. Taylor says he sends you his best wishes.